Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today's video is yet again another hair tutorial, and I am collaborating with WowAfrican again to bring you guys a video on this bomb bob unit. Y'all, I love me a good bob, especially a really good bob that is really good quality. So today I'm going to be telling you guys all about this bob and showing you guys just how easy it was to put it on my head and get it together. WowAfrican, you have done it again. Y'all, let's get into it. So as I stated in the intro, this wig is from WowAfrican Hair Company. Along with their wig, they also give you a little goodie bag that has an edge band in it, some hair clips, a comb, a bunch of stuff that you can use to install your wig. So now let's get into the details of this wig. This is their dark brown ombre silky straight HD lace wig. Guys, this is a bob wig. It is super pretty. This is what the lace looks like. The lace on this wig is 9x6. It is pre-everything. The lace is already cut for you and the knots are already bleached. As you guys can see, it does come with the stretchy dome cap with the non-slip silicone grip around the edges of it. Now let's go ahead and try this wig on right out of the box and see what it's given. So guys, first thing I noticed was the fit of the cap. I absolutely love how it fits perfectly on my head and how the lace looks so good right out of the box. The one thing I will say is the lace was a little bit loose. Although the cap fit my head, the lace was a little loose. So they do put the drawstring elastic band in the back for that very reason. I went ahead and tightened it up, and then you guys will be able to see just how the wig is fitting now. So I'm just combing through the hair, getting a feel for it right out of the box, and the first thing I noticed is the texture of the hair feels so good. So this is their silky straight texture, and it feels amazing, guys. I'm going ahead and getting closer up so you guys can see the lace. But y'all, this wig was so good. Like, I had to do a collab this weekend, so I ended up wearing this wig and I got so many compliments. And it's so crazy because the low effort wigs that you can just put on and they look so good are always the ones you get the most compliments on. Like, it's just so effortless, and it's definitely my go-to wig now. So shout out to WowAfrican Hair Company. As you guys can see, I'm going ahead and getting the top of that hair nice and flat with my hot comb, and I did add some of my wax stick at the top of that hair too. And now I'm going in with my flat iron and just pressing it a little bit straighter. The texture is silky straight, but y'all already know they do have to package it up when it's coming to you, so it might get a little crimpled, or you know, might have some waves in it from the packaging. But yeah, guys, do not laugh at me right here. I was like measuring my neck. I'm like, wait, is my neck too short for a long bob? But it actually looks really cute. I think as I keep this wig, I might end up trimming it just a little bit shorter, but I'm gonna rock out with the long bob for a little while. I went ahead and parted it on the side so you guys can see the versatility of it. A completely glueless bob with a really cute color. This ombre color is so stinking cute, guys. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. As you guys can see, it only took me a few minutes to get it together, and WowAfrican definitely did their thing. I'm absolutely in love with the color. This color is so pretty, and I think it looks so good on me, and I know it'll look good on you. I also wanted to tell you guys this silky straight texture. I've been getting into the yakis lately, but sometimes you gotta pull out a good silky straight unit, especially when you are on the go and you just want to put it on and go. Y'all, no glue whatsoever, and it looks so good. I don't know about y'all, but I'm definitely opting for the low maintenance wigs this year, and WowAfrican has been doing it for me. WowAfrican, they never ever disappoint. So if you are interested in purchasing this wig or any other wigs from WowAfrican Hair Company, go ahead and check my description box down below. All the details will be there. And while you're at it, leave me a comment and subscribe. And like this video if you like this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Smooches.